Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. After that you click on this search button and then enter the model number RTX 40 space Designaire and then enter. Then click on the product. Now this is first one. Just click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installation process same. So guys, this is your driver. You have to just, so guys, first download. After that I show you how to install it. So audio driver, so download both, otherwise you can install this one SD audio driver. Just click on it. Then chipset driver, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. Okay, and then click to this icons. Now you can see this is downloading start, and then open this folder where it is downloading. Then it is completed, then show you how to install. So just double click and double click, find out setup. So this is setup. Then right click to run as administrator, open. After that ask administrator rights for the installations. Now this is, you can see it's come audio driver. Then next, now click on no and finish. Then back. Then second one chipset, just open it. Right click to click on the open and then click on yes. After that chipset driver, and just click on OK. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. So no worry about that, is it installed or not. So it is installed, then restart your system. Thank you. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install. Okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then OK. And then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then OK. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.